Vivo V9 is set for official sale and launch in Malaysia. It is a solid performer with a decent design.
Taking trips, cause I never tripped on what they said. If you speaking from your heart, naysayers go aim for yes.
And it comes with Android Oreo 8.1, rocking Snapdragon 626 and Adreno 506. It comes with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage in the base variant. On the camera side, in the rear one you can get dual cameras of 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel depth sensor for portrait shots and that bokeh thing. For the front camera, it comes with a huge 24 megapixel sensor, which I really like to see what can it do. On front, you see a 19:9 aspect ratio with a notch on top. And the amazing thing about this one is that it comes with a 90% screen to body ratio. On back, the cameras are placed vertically and you see a glossy finish. It also has a face recognition and AR emojis. In my end opinion, it is a solid performer, and Snapdragon 626 is not too old and it is a lot capable to play any games or day-to-day tasks. 4 gigs of RAM is a plus point. Android 8.1 is a good point. Dual cameras of 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel, that is what we need to see. The huge 25 megapixel in front is good. The battery size of 3240 milliamps is also good. But what I don't like about this device must be the design language of this device and the OS of this device. It uses a FunTouch OS 3.0, which is, I'd see, like most inspired Android OS by an iPhone. It is totally inspired by iPhone X on the front, but not a problem here because you get 19% screen to body ratio. The problem is that the cameras are also vertically placed like the iPhone X. So guys, thank you for watching this video. My name is Areza Sun and you're watching Team AA. Peace.